Hello children, welcome back to English class. Today you are going to learn the new chapter 5, Message in a Bottle. So let us first we will read the lesson, then I will explain the each paras. So let's begin to read. First I will read, then next time when I am reading you have to read. Chapter 5, Message in a Bottle. Chapter 5, Message in a Bottle. A long time ago, two children, Meena and Ajay, lived in a small fishing village by the sea in the South India. Children read. A long time ago, two children, Meena and Ajay, lived in a small fishing village by the sea in South India. They were good friends and lived next door to each other. Their fathers were both fishermen. Children read. They were good friends and lived next door to each other. Their fathers were both fishermen. Next para. There was no school in the village. So the children built sand castle, chased crabs, swam in the sea, and climbed coconut palms all the day long. Children read. There was no school in the village. So the children built sand castles, chased crabs, swam in the sea, and climbed coconut palms all day long. They had a wonderful life without any worries. Children read. They had a wonderful life without any worries. One day they were playing on the beach. Read. One day they were playing on the beach when they found a large green bottle. When they found a large green bottle, with great difficulty, the children took the cap off the bottle. Read. With great difficulty, the children took the cap of the bottle. Inside it, they found a piece of paper. Read. Inside it, they found a piece of paper. What does it say? Cried Meena excitedly. Read. What does it say? Cried Meena excitedly. I don't know, replied Ajay. Read. I don't know, replied Ajay. There is some writing on it, but we can't read. There is some writing on it, but we can't read. Okay, so I'm going to explain this now. So there were two children. So their name was Meena and Ajay. There was two children. Their name was Meena and Ajay. As you can see here, she is Meena and he is Ajay. So these two children are best friends. So where they lived, children? They lived in a small fishing village by the sea in South India. In South India, near the sea, their small village was there. That village was named as a fishing village. All the people used to go for the fishing. So this in a small fishing village by the sea in South India, they lived. And these two children, they were good friends and lived next door to each other. If it is Ajay's house is here, means next to that house only Meena's house was there. And children, their fathers were, both the fathers were fishermen. Meena's father also was fisherman. Ajay's father also was fisherman. So where did they live, children? They lived in a small fishing village by the sea in South India. So who are these two children? They are Meena and Ajay, and they both are best friends. So their home was next door to each other. So what was their father used to do? Yes, both the fathers were fishermen. So now let's see the next para. There was no school in the village. In a small fishing village in South India, there was no school in their place. So they did not go to school. So what they used to do? How you go to school? Whole day you will be in the school from morning to evening. So what these children used to do? They used to go to the sea. As you can see in this picture, they used to go to sea on the bank of sea. They used to build sand castle. Can you see, children? This is a sand castle. It is made with sand. So they used to build sand castle, and they used to chase crabs in the sea. On the sands there will be crabs. So they used to chase. Chase means, what is the meaning of chase, children? Yes, that is run after. Chased meaning is run after. So catching, to catch, going to run. Then they used to chase the swam. They used to run after to catch the swam in the sea. And they also climbed on the coconut palms. Can you see the coconut here? Coconut plants here? Yes. So they used to climb on this coconut palms. Meena and Ajay, they used to climb on the coconut palms. Full day they used to have a fun on the beach, on the sea, on the bank of on the sea. They used to have a lot of fun. So what they used to do? Full day they used to build sand castle. They used to chase crabs and swans. They used to climb on coconut palms all the day. And they had a wonderful life. What is the meaning of wonderful? Wonderful means a superb life or a great life, a lovely life they had, because there was no school, nothing to work. So only playing and having fun with each other. And they did not had any worries. Worries means not to bother, or not nervous. They did not have any nervousness or bother or disturbance. So they had a very wonderful life. Now next, one day they were playing on the beach when they found a large green bottle. With great difficulty, the children took off the cap of the bottle. Inside it they found a piece of paper. So one day when they were playing on the beach, so they found a green glass. Can you see? It is in Meena's hand. So they, with great difficulty, they opened the cap of that bottle. So inside there was a paper. Can you see in Ajay's hand the paper is? Yes. So in this paper, what was written? What does it carried? Let us see. So what does it say? Cried Meena excitedly. So Meena was excited. Excited means eager to know something, or enthusiastically knowing something. So Meena was eager to know what was there in that letter or in that piece of paper. So Ajay said, I don't know. there is some writing on it, but we can't read. So these two children, there was no school in the village, so they did not go to school and they were not knowing to read. So Ajay said, there is some writing on this paper, we don't know to read. So now turn the page. Yes, the children wondered what to do. Old Manu, the shopkeeper in the village, could read. He would be able to tell them what it said. They decided to go to him. They scampered along to the shop with a bottle and the paper. So here children, both the children, Ajay and Meena, they were not knowing to read. So they wandered. Wandered means they were not knowing what to do. Means no having any goal or any aim. So they were wandering. So they thought of to go to Old Manu. So Old Manu means he is a shopkeeper in the village. Only he could read in that village. So they thought of to go to him. And they decided to go to him and they scampered. What is the meaning of scampered? SCAMPERED, scampered. Scampered means run quickly. So they ran quickly near Old Manu's shop with the bottle and paper. Now, look Manu, cried children excitedly. Look what we discovered on the beach. Old Manu took the paper from the children. He put on his glasses and started to read. So here the Ajay and Meena, you can see in this picture, Ajay and Meena, they took the paper and bottle and went to Old Manu's shop. Can you see the Old Manu's shop here? Yes. So he said, both the children said, look Manu, what we discovered on the beach. So Old Manu took the paper from the children's hand and he put on his glass because he could not see the eyes properly. So he was having a spectacles or spectacles. So he put on his glasses and started to read. So in the next class, let us know what was written on that piece of paper. Thank you for watching, children. Today you need to read this lesson and I will give you a few questions. You have to answer that questions and send it to my WhatsApp number. Thank you. Today's homework, first question. Where is the story taken place? Where is the story taken place? Second question. What did the children do all the day? What did the children do all the day? Third question. Who lived next door to each other? Who lived next door to each other? Fourth question. Where did they find the large green bottle? Where did they find the large green bottle? Fifth question. What was inside the bottle? What was inside the bottle? Answer these 5 questions and send it to my WhatsApp number. Thank you for watching.